In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget and forecast in Xero. If you've been looking to get a better grasp of your financial future or just trying to have more control over your business's budgeting process, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in together and make the most of Xero's powerful tools. First, start by navigating to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Reporting. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in, a list will appear, showing you various reporting options. What you're looking for is labeled All Reports. Give that a click. You're now in the realm of possibilities that Xero offers for analyzing your business's financial data. Next, scroll through the available options until you find Budget Manager. This is the tool we'll use to set up and manage your budget. Once you've selected Budget Manager, you'll immediately see your overall budget by default. This is a great way to instantly get an overview of your current financial situation. However, to make it more useful, we're going to create a new budget. Towards the top left of your screen, there's a button that says Select Budget. Click that and choose Add New Budget from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll personalize your budgeting experience. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new budget. Make sure this name reflects the purpose or time frame of the budget to help you easily identify it later on. Once you've named your budget, you'll notice blue fields appearing on the screen. These are the areas where you'll be entering your financial data. It's crucial to fill in these fields accurately to ensure your budget reflects your actual financial situation. If you're looking to add a bit more detail or want to foresee future trends, there's an option to apply formulas. As you input values, an arrow will appear. Click on it to access these additional forecasting and prediction tools. This is particularly helpful if you want to project future income or expenses based on past data trends. After you've entered all your data and adjusted any formulas or settings to your needs, the final step is to click Apply. And just like that, your new budget is up and running. You've now harnessed the power of Xero to look ahead and effectively manage your financial plans. So, there you have it. You've successfully navigated through creating a budget in Xero. This tool is invaluable for gaining insights into your financial outlook and making informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting!